Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shahzadi. Easter is around the corner. Today, we are sharing 20 adorable Easter bunny cakes that are full of charm, color, and creativity. First one is Fluffy Bunny Butt Cake. Round cake topped with bunny's fluffy backside, feet, and pom-pom tail. Cute, funny, and always a favorite. The next is bunny face cake, a smooth white fondant cake with a sweet bunny face, long ears, and pastel cheeks. Perfect for kids and spring parties. The next is Easter egg surprise cake, bunny on a top of a cake filled with candy egg inside. Cut it open and let the fun spill out. The next is floral crown bunny cake. Bunny face with a pastel buttercream flower crown and edible pearls. So elegant and cute. The next is mini bunny cupcakes. Each cupcake has a face or ears peeking out of the grass frosting. Mini threads and big smiles. The next is bunny ears drip cake. Drip style cake with large fondant bunny ears popping out on top. Trending meets traditional. The next is bunny inside a basket cake. A cake shaped like an Easter basket with a bunny peeking out. Sweet enough to be a centerpiece. The next is bunny cake, burn cake. Cake decorated with a grassy hill with bunny legs and tail digging in. A fun garden scene. The next is bunny cookies cake. Grain cookie base topped with bunny shaped buttercream piping. Fun twist on traditional cake. The next is pastel rainbow bunny cake. Layers of pastel rainbow cake with bunny ears and spring flowers. Bright, happy, and festive. The next is bunny in an eggshell cake. Half eggshell cake with bunny ears popping out. Surprise and delight. The next is chocolate bunny cake. White chocolate cake decorated with gold or edible bunny figures. For the chocolate lovers. The next is bunny with carrot cake. Cute bunny topper holding a bright orange fondant carrot. Tasty spring out theme. The next is bunny in a teacup cake. Mini bunny figure sitting in a fondant teacup atop cake. Whimsical and dainty. The next is bunny on a swing cake. Two tide cake with a fondant bunny swinging from sugar flower. A dreamy garden scene. The next is bunny balloon cake. Fondant bunny flying with sugar balloon branches. Light, lovely design. The next is bunny picnic cake. Cake style with a spring picnic with bunny figures, eyes, and snacks. Perfect for outdoor Easter event. The next is bunny cake with real flowers. White cake with bunny shallot and fresh spring florals. Natural and simple beauty. The next is bunny paw print cake. Flat round cake decorated with pastel paws print and bunny ears. Great for little ones. The next is bunny cake trio. Three mini cakes with different bunny poses, standing, sitting, and hopping. Fun for all dessert table. Which bunny cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment. Share your thoughts and ideas. And don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, family, and the one who love bunny cakes theme or who love baking. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more creative cake design. Happy Easter and happy baking. Till that, share your love and take care of yourself and your family members or your loved ones. Baking is not a fun, it's a part of life through which you can share your love, your care, or your feelings to other. It's a way of sharing. Keep sharing. Goodbye.